Look at that air filter. It's still quite clean. There's a bit of dust at the bottom. Inside the air box is clean as well. And this is after 100 hours. Fantastic, isn't it? 2,000 miles. And the chain, original front sprocket, still good. Rear sprocket, still good. The tyre, you can't see that so well. Bring the light around. The tyre still quite good after 2,000 miles. Still got a few hundred left in it.
Here we are on the first lane of the day, out of Chirk. Oh, yeah, isn't usually way. The first one, I can barely see where I'm going. So horrible, misty, and yeah, really yucky today. Oh, I didn't mean to. I can't see very far ahead. And neither can you, I expect. We should be better now with our brand new air filter. After, I'm not sure if I said it all else on a little bit of video before I started talking riding. But I've done 100 hours on this bike, 2,000 miles, and I've, as I said, I've only just changed this air filter. Pretty lazy, eh? With the, I've only had to adjust the chain a smidgen, which is good. The sprockets are all good. I can't see any wear in the brake pads, which is amazing. I suppose they'll all go at once eventually. But on other bikes, the front pads have gone in 1,000 miles. So I'm really impressed. I saw a video, a YouTube video, some American guy who said, or something, said as far as the chain is concerned, all the lubrication's on the inside and it's sealed by the rubber grommets, so there's no point in putting chain lube on it. All it does is attract dirt, and all it does is put ooh, that's a sharp one, yeah. What it uses is WD-40. This is what I've done. I've never cleaned the chain. Just put WD-40 every week, and it seems to work. And the chain's always nice and clean after a ride, and it's not as though I wash the bike down every week either. So if it's not too dirty, I don't bother. That's what Jeff Smith in the 50s and the early 60s used to do. When he rode for BSA, he used to say, no point in cleaning it if it's running, leave it alone. Oh, it's not going to be a nice day today. Oh, yeah. Can't see where the tarmac begins. Oh, here it is. Oh, one solid mist.